Did you know that a faulty oil pressure sensor can trigger false alarms? Or worse, fail to alert you before catastrophic engine damage? This small sensor plays a huge role in your engine's health, and ignoring the signs can cost you thousands in repairs. In today's video, we'll break down the key symptoms of a bad oil pressure sensor and explain how to catch the warning signs before it's too late. But first, what is an oil pressure sensor? Your oil pressure sensor, also called the oil pressure switch or sending unit, is responsible for monitoring the engine's oil pressure and sending that data to the gauge or warning light on your dashboard. Without it, you'd have no clue whether your engine is properly lubricated or moments away from seizing due to low oil pressure. It's a tiny component with a massive responsibility. So what happens when this sensor goes bad? Here are the signs you should never ignore. Symptom 1. Flickering or inaccurate oil pressure gauge. A clear sign of a faulty oil pressure sensor is when your oil pressure gauge behaves erratically. While not too common in most modern cars, vehicles with dedicated oil pressure gauges can display some strange behavior when the sensor begins to fail. You might notice the needle shooting up to the maximum and then suddenly dropping to zero, even though your engine is running perfectly fine. This happens because a failing sensor sends incorrect voltage signals to the engine control unit, ECU, which interprets them as actual oil pressure changes. This false reading can lead to unnecessary panic or, worse, cause you to ignore a genuine problem in the future. If your gauge seems to have a mind of its own, it's crucial to test the sensor before assuming there's a real drop in oil pressure. Symptom 2. Oil warning, light stays on. The oil pressure warning light on your dashboard is a crucial early warning system for your engine's lubrication health. When everything's running smoothly, the light should turn off a few seconds after the engine starts. But if it stays illuminated while your oil level and condition are perfectly fine, your oil pressure sensor could be the culprit. This false alert is more than just annoying. It can confuse and distract you from recognizing real mechanical issues. Always verify your oil level first. If it checks out and the light remains on, suspect the sensor before considering more serious engine problems. Symptom 3. Oil warning, light flashes. Intermittently, an intermittent flashing oil light can be one of the most confusing symptoms to diagnose. One moment it's on, the next it's gone. This typically occurs when the oil pressure sensor is on the verge of failure. The electrical contacts inside the sensor may be corroded, loose, or suffering from internal shorting. You'll often see this behavior during sharp turns, heavy acceleration, or when braking, moments when oil momentarily shifts within the engine. These rapid on-off flickers are misleading and should never be ignored. A sensor test or replacement is strongly advised when this occurs. Symptom 4. Engine ticking or knocking sounds. Engine ticking or knocking sounds from the engine are often the result of insufficient oil reaching critical engine components. While these noises can stem from a variety of issues, such as worn lifters, timing problems, or fuel-related concerns, they commonly indicate actual low oil pressure. Now, while these sounds usually mean there's a real lubrication problem, a failing sensor can prevent you from ever receiving a proper warning. This creates a dangerous situation where the engine might run dry and overheat internally without your knowledge. Even if the oil pressure is good and you're hearing these sounds, it's still wise to inspect the sensor. If it's malfunctioning, it won't alert you when there's a true drop in pressure, leaving your engine exposed to serious wear or damage. Symptom 5. Erratic engine performance. A failing oil pressure sensor might seem like a small issue, but it can wreak havoc on your engine's performance. This sensor's job is to monitor oil pressure and send real-time data to your vehicle's ECU. When it starts sending false readings, either too high or too low, it confuses the ECU and triggers unnecessary reactions, even when oil pressure is fine. Once the ECU is misled by faulty data, it may take drastic measures to protect the engine. This can result in false warning lights like check engine or low oil pressure, limp mode activation to limit power and prevent damage, altered fuel injection and timing that disrupt normal operation, random engine shutdowns or misfires. Over time, these false reactions stress vital components and reduce efficiency. You may notice rough idling, poor acceleration, or strange knocking sounds. The fix is simple: replace the sensor and verify oil pressure manually, but ignoring it could mean engine failure. Don't let a cheap sensor destroy your engine. Before we jump into the next symptom, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe. It's a quick way to stay ahead of engine problems and keep your ride running like a dream. Now, let's take a closer look at the next warning sign of a bad oil pressure sensor. Symptom 6. Oil leaks near the sensor. The oil pressure sensor itself screws into the engine block or oil filter housing and utilizes a gasket or O-ring to prevent oil from escaping. Over time, this sensor can develop cracks, or its seal may degrade due to heat and vibration. As a result, oil begins to leak, usually in a slow, steady drip that worsens with engine operation. You may notice oily residue around the sensor, or see puddles forming under your engine. If left unchecked, this leak can lead to low oil levels, reduced lubrication, and eventually, engine damage. Regular inspection around the sensor's base can catch this issue early, before it becomes a costly repair. Symptom 7. Check engine light comes on. While the oil warning light is the sensor's primary alert system, a bad sensor can also trigger your vehicle's check engine light. When the ECU detects voltage readings from the oil pressure sensor that fall outside of the expected range, it logs a diagnostic trouble code, DTC, and illuminates the check engine light. Common codes associated with this issue include P0520, oil pressure sensor circuit issue, P0521, range or performance problem in the sensor, P0522, voltage too low, P0523, voltage too high. These codes help confirm that your sensor is malfunctioning, not your oil pressure system. A quick OBD2 scan can give you the definitive answer. Symptom 8. Engine overheating. Oil not only lubricates, but also helps dissipate heat from critical engine parts. If the oil pressure sensor fails and no longer warns you about actual low oil pressure, your engine might continue running with insufficient lubrication, leading to rapid heat buildup. Overheating is often one of the final symptoms before serious damage occurs. If your temperature gauge rises without explanation and the oil warning system remains silent, a faulty sensor may be masking a bigger issue. Always verify both oil level and pressure when overheating occurs. Symptom 9. Burning oil smell. If you're noticing a burnt oil odor while driving or after shutting off the engine, it could be the result of oil leaking from a cracked or loose oil pressure sensor. The leaked oil often drips onto hot engine parts, such as the exhaust manifold, where it burns and creates that unmistakable smoky scent. Even small leaks from a faulty sensor can produce a strong smell over time. If left untreated, this issue not only risks fire hazards, but also contributes to oil loss and engine contamination. Check the area around the sensor for fresh oil deposits or wetness. How to test an oil pressure sensor. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to test the oil pressure sensor. 1. Locate the sensor. Check near the oil filter, engine block, cylinder head, or by the oil pump. Consult your owner's manual. 2. Inspect visually. Look for cracks, oil leaks, or loose corroded wiring at the connector. 3. Scan for codes. Plug in an OBD2 scanner and note any oil pressure related codes such as P0520 or P0522. 4. Swap in a manual gauge. Remove the sensor, thread in a mechanical oil pressure gauge, start the engine, and compare readings to factory specs. 5. Measure voltage, wick resistance. With a multimeter, test the sensor signal and ground pins. Values outside spec indicate failure. 6. Decide and replace. If manual pressure is correct, but the sensor or wiring test bad, install a new sensor, clear codes, and verify the dash reading. How much does it cost to replace an oil pressure sensor? The total cost ranges from $70 to $200, depending on your vehicle's make and model. This includes both parts and labor. The sensor itself typically costs between $20 to $80, while labor charges range from $50 to $120. Luxury and performance vehicles may cost more, especially if the sensor is located in a hard-to-reach spot. Replacing it early can prevent serious engine damage and save you a lot more in the long run. Can I drive with a bad oil pressure sensor? Technically, yes, but it's risky. Without reliable oil pressure readings, you're flying blind. A failing sensor can cause false alarms or fail to warn you when real damage is happening. If you're unsure whether it's the sensor or actual oil pressure issues, have your vehicle checked immediately. Never ignore oil-related warning lights. We just covered the most critical bad oil pressure sensor symptoms. And now, you know exactly what to watch for. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car care tips. And hey, if you've dealt with a faulty oil pressure sensor before or have questions about yours, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your experience and help out where we can.